Hi guys, we have an inspection for the solar system installed by Fuse, and we're just about to prepare the installation for the inspection prior to the inspector's arrival. Based on experience, I'll just have to prepare the panel by simply opening everything up. The already installed breaker for our solar, it's over here and it's labeled in accordance with the code requirements. Recently, Fuse has partnered with Savant, and what Savant is doing, basically those two breakers monitor your consumption of the assigned breaker, and you can basically from your phone application. Next step, usually Fuse goes with N-phase, but we are not limited to N-phase. We can install both Tesla and Franklin. We had experience installing Solar Edge as well as commercial project, but today we're gonna go with N-phase. So just taking it off so the inspector could see what wiring we have inside. In accordance with the code requirements for the electrical, if we have a breaker rated at 40 amps, we're required to have a number 8 gauge wire, and this is, in our case, this is like so. You can see the wiring because it's somewhere around over here. Number 8. This one always comes pre-installed by the manufacturer because that's for the Wi-Fi module and is not necessarily a load. So the last equipment on the ground that we have is the AC disconnect, which also has fuses inside. We go with these ones because those are safer than just having wiring go through. So the next step is just to verify the panels that have been installed. It's been quite a while, so another service that Fuse is proposing is to clean your solar modules because of the dust is gonna go a little less efficient than proposed by the manufacturer. In accordance with the customer's needs, our estimators came up with the solution to install a system rated at 6.12 kilowatts, which should cover most of the loads in the house. So the inspector paid a visit a few moments ago and we successfully passed the inspection. Right here you can see his signature, and with today's date as of 7/3/24, and this basically goes to PG&E to get the NEM3 approval. The NEM3 is basically we have to get in touch with the PG&E and they have to approve your permission to operate the system.